Hey everybody, Jamie at shopmasc.com. Welcome to another MASC Minute. Today I have a new toothpaste brand to show to you called Before, right over here. It's actually a Vancouver brand, so it's local, which is nice. Two different sizes, 25ml and 100ml. The tubes are actually plant-based plastic, so it's 100% recyclable, which is nice. As you can see, there are three different variations, but they all have the same basic flavor, which is super mint, so it's nice and refreshing. Low abrasion, nice silky texture, foams up nicely. So this is just the classic one, which is your standard toothpaste for them. Then they have their whitening one, which is hydrogen peroxide free. And then they have their sensitive formula, which is for sensitive teeth and gums. So if you have any sort of sensitivity, that's great to help to reduce that or calm it down a bit. Nice and natural formulation, no harmful chemicals or weird ingredients like that. So if you're looking for a high quality toothpaste to up your mouth game, check them out, Before Toothpaste on shopmasc.com. And of course, if you're in the store in Vancouver, you can see them here. Thanks for listening.